bringing you down to earth, understanding this everyday phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a phrase that's quite popular but can be a bit confusing for learners: back down to earth. Whether you've heard it in a conversation, seen it in a book, or come across it in a movie, understanding this phrase will help you grasp the nuances of English expression. So, let's get started and bring this phrase down to earth for you. Back down to earth is an idiom that's used to describe the process of returning to a normal state or reality after a period of excitement, success, or fantasy. It's like reminding someone or something to return to the practicalities and realities of everyday life. Imagine you've just won a big award and you're feeling on top of the world, but then you remember you still have to do your daily chores. That's a down-to-earth moment right there. While the exact origins of back down to earth are a bit murky, the idiom is deeply rooted in the idea of gravity pulling us back to the ground, a metaphorical way of saying that no matter how high we soar, reality awaits us. This phrase beautifully captures the human experience of balancing dreams and reality, making it a favorite in various forms of communication. 1. After the holiday season, everyone has to come back down to earth and get back to work. 2. The movie's fantastical ending brings you gently back down to earth, reminding you of the power of love and friendship in the real world. 3. The team was elated after the big win, but the coach reminded them to come back down to earth and focus on the next game. These examples show how versatile the phrase can be, applicable in emotional, professional, and personal contexts. Understanding similar phrases can help broaden your comprehension and expression in English. Here are a few. Feet on the ground, keeping a practical and realistic outlook. Down to earth, describing someone or something as practical, realistic, and not pretentious. Out of this world, used to describe something as extraordinary, but its user eventually needs to come back down to earth. There you have it, folks. A closer look at the phrase, back down to earth. We hope this exploration helps you understand and use the phrase more confidently in your English conversations and writings. Remember, learning a language is all about getting to grips with its idioms and expressions, which add color and depth to your communication. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful. Stay tuned for more insights into the English language, and don't forget to come back down to earth with us every week for new lessons.